everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your kettlebell strength and conditioning 10-minute quick hit. So 10 minutes of just using kettlebells. Of course, if you don't have a kettlebell, you can use a dumbbell, and we're gonna get strength and conditioning. We're not gonna do much of a warm-up, so go ahead and start moving your body, rolling your shoulders. This is the perfect add-on as a bonus burn, as at the end of the workout, you can add something, or if you're just short on time, you can take this and make it a full workout, because we are gonna cover everything. We're gonna get it done. We're obviously gonna get strength and cardio, but we're gonna get it all done in 10 minutes. The way it works is we're starting with your back to basic strength, and then your second move is gonna add some conditioning. So go ahead and grab one heavy to medium kettlebell. We're gonna start with that squat. You're either going to squat here or goblet squat here. Join me, here we go. Did I mention everything is 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest where I show you your next move. Probably it's all gonna feel like conditioning because that heart rate is gonna stay up because of the pace we're moving at. But in these strength, every other one is your strength interval. I want you to really take your time, focus on range of motion, getting lower, really getting the strength. So getting low on that squat. Core is obviously working, upper body is working because we're holding the weight right here. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set that weight down, and then we're gonna take it to add some conditioning. We're gonna do a squat, we're gonna do a press. Get low, get high. If that's not right for you, you can just take it to the press and you'll probably still get that conditioning. Let's do it. 40 seconds, get that heart rate up. Here we go. To high. Now with these conditioning intervals, you're gonna notice you don't have to add impact to get that intensity. We're getting it by lifting heavy weights, getting compound moves right here to here. Heart rate is getting up there. If you want a challenge, you can take this rotational press. So you sit low in the squat, you come up, you do a little twist, right? Right here. Yes, you can. I know, I'm feeling it too. 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, catch your breath, team. Your next move, we're gonna get a bent over row. So you've got your weight here. We're gonna pull it up to the row, and then we're gonna switch. You're gonna alternate between the two. If you need to rest your back, come up, but take your time, catch your breath. Engage that core. Here we go. Row, pull the kettlebell up to one side, and then switch. If you're using a dumbbell and it doesn't feel good to pull from the floor, you can, of course, just keep it your regular row. You can even add a second dumbbell. Maybe that's better for you. If your back's feeling it, come up, come right back down into it. And here. Yes. Nice flat back, strong upper body, right? So we got all that lower body, and then we added the upper for the conditioning. Now we're doing upper. When we add the conditioning, we're gonna add some core. Last one. All right, team, so here's what you got to add the conditioning. You can keep it right here, row, and then standing mountain climber, or do your row from the plank. Here, you'll have smaller range of motion, row, and then climber for here, for 4. Let's do it, team. 40 seconds, here we go. Standing or plank row, then standing or plank climber. Bring it up. And how you do 4 is up to you. You can do 4, 3, 2, 1, or you can just do one knee as one, and so forth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Core engaged, yes, you can. So not only are we adding that conditioning, but we're adding a lot of core, and you're pulling from the ground from here. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Woo! Almost halfway there, team. All right, so now we're gonna take it back to lower body. Here's what we got. Your side lunge. Step it out, bring it in. Alternating right and left. When we add our conditioning, we're gonna do a regular lunge with some biceps. So join me here. Side lunge, here we go. Sit deep, drive the hips to the back, push up and through. Sit deep, push up and through. Here to here. Now you can keep that weight right in the center, or again, if you have 2 dumbbells, you can take it here. I like to hand it off because I feel that cross, right? I feel that weight shift into my hip. Right here, hand up. Yes, 10 seconds right here. Really shift the weight, push out of that hip. Yes, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, team, so now we're gonna take it right side, left side. You're gonna do a lunge. You can have the kettlebell here. Lunge and cross curl, just like that. If you have something lighter, you can also do the curl here. But 2 hands on that weight. Here we go, one side, down and up. If that's not right for you, just do the bicep cross curl right here to here. But if you can, we're getting lower and upper together. And here, drive it down and up. You can, of course, be here if you want to do your version of that slinger curl. Maybe that's more fun for you. Sling it up, but I know it's a lot, right? Conditioning. Lower and upper, and then core with that twist. 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Woo! Shake it out. How's that heart rate? I know mine is up there. Same thing, other side. You can just do the lunge, you can just do the cross curl, or put them together. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Lunge it down, bring it up, down and up. It can look like this, here to here, this, or maybe you're doing slinger curl. Sling it up, woo! Here to here, I know. Guess what, after this, we have 2 things on the mat that'll slow it down a bit, that will end with some conditioning. The fun thing at the end. Well, it's all fun, right? Here to here, whoo! 3, 2, 1, and relax. Meet me on the mat, team. Here's what we got. We're gonna do a close grip press, chest, shoulders, and triceps. If the mat is not right for you, just go over your head. If you can. Oh man, you guys, that got my heart pumping. Here we go. Elbows in, straight up. 3, 2, 1. Up. If it took you a second to get down here, just join in when you're ready. Elbows in, press up and down. Now, if that feels super light, something that you can do, push into that kettlebell. Push in and really squeeze at the top. Again, yes, it's a chest press, but we're also getting a lot of the back of the arms, a lot of those triceps. Yes, team. 10 seconds right here. And don't worry if you came in late, because we're gonna add on to this and make those arms really feel it and relax. All right, team, so watch me. You have a few options. If you want, you can just do a little leg lift one at a time. Maybe that's better for you, or you're here. And then we got our conditioning coming, all right? So let's add some core. If you feel like just doing the core, you can do a weighted leg lower or just a leg lower. Here we go. Strong with that core. Even if you got one foot on the ground and you're just lifting and lowering one leg at a time, really think about the engagement of that core. And again, your elbows are coming right down. If you need an upper body break, take it here. Your legs aren't just flailing, right? What we're doing, really lower with control and then really pull that deep core and your inner thighs together. Feel what that does. Inner thigh squeeze is gonna help you connect to that deep, deep core. Yes, you can. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Relax up on your feet, team. This is your last thing, and we're splitting it into 2 parts. We're gonna do a deadlift for 30 seconds, and then you can keep that deadlift, or if you know or wanna do that kettlebell swing, we got 30 seconds here, all right? let's get it done. Deadlift, here we go. So you're standing up straight, you're hinging, drive those hips to the back. Up and down right here. Yes, you can. Shoulders are back, so this is your starting position. Then we're gonna go into that swing, right? Breathe. All right, team, give yourself just a second and then let's take it to the swing. If you wanna keep the deadlift, keep the deadlift. Otherwise, let it drop. Power up, let it drop. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I need my heavier kettlebell. I should have told you to do that. Whew, don't stop it in midair like that. If you can go heavy, go heavy. I'm gonna finish it with these ones. Yes, you can. Right through here, finish it out. We're at the end of this 10-minute quick hit for 3, 2, 1. Swing and relax. Oh, you guys, did you feel both strength and conditioning? I hope so. I know I did. Stretch those legs, stretch your back. Set that kettlebell to the side. Just get a few little tap outs here to let your system calm down a bit, and then make sure you get some stretching on your own. Bookmark this workout. I have tons of other quick hits. Again, so many of them are just like this, where you're gonna get strength, cardio, full body, all in 10 minutes, and then so many are specialized. So again, great add-ons to another workout, but also perfect for when you're really short on time, but you just wanna get something in. You wanna know that you did something, and it help you feel that after this workout. Get some more stretching on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, join us in the BodyFit Athletic Club, and let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Let's get one big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your kettlebell strength and conditioning 10-minute quick hit. Great job, everybody.